Hey there guys, this is Phone Tech Kid, and today I'm going to be going over the dirty Rootbox Rom for your Nexus 7. So this is a 4.2.2 ROM. I think this is his second release, version 2. And this really does come with a lot of options for you right when you install it. So I will be showing you how to install this ROM at the end of the video. And it does use a ROM installer, so make sure to watch it, so you can see all the features that you get to choose between in a ROM launcher. So you can see 4.2.2, if we go into settings and about tablet, you can see that it is 4.2.2. Click on it a couple of times and it should show. I don't know why they have that disabled, but you do have Android 4.2. Also, you do get Dirty Rootbox version 2.0. If you click on it, it opens up AOKP little thing. You can move those things around too. Okay. So at the bottom you have about Rootbox. Make sure to go in there and donate to some of these developers. It really does take a lot of hard work to build these ROMs, and a lot of patience for everyone asking for requests. You do get multi-user, so you still have that. Some of the other stuff you do get, you get your AOKP settings right here, you get your Rootbox settings here, and you get some DPI and tablet settings right here. So start off with the AOKP stuff. Normal AOKP stuff, everything we all know about, that you see almost in every video. You get some general UI options, lock screen options, power menu options, navigation bar options. You could change up the battery, the clock, the signal. You could add more toggles, and then you could play around with the sound if you want. So you get your options there. You also do get performance control. So if in the beginning you'll have a choice of what kernel you want to install, and then you could go through here, play around with if you want to overclock or underclock and all that good stuff. If we exit out of there, now let's get into the Rootbox settings. So you do get the profiles options right there. If we go lower, you have Rootbox settings. So right off the bat, you do get Pi controls. And to enable Pi controls, press that. Oops. Enable it. Grant. Now we can enable Pi controls. Grant it. And you should have Pi controls now. So go into Pi gravity. I'm going to click bottom, and now if you hold on the power button, first to basically enable this you have to go down into settings and click expand desktop. Now when we go here, expand the desktop, we could use our favorited Pi controls that everybody loves, which gives you a lot more room. And then if you want to disable it, go back here and disable it. So in here you could change the LCD density to make it tablet UI if you want. You could add lock screen targets, lock screen shortcuts, screen security, clock, headset, volume adjust sound, hardware widgets, or keys, sorry. So you could, this doesn't really come with hardware keys, so here it's pretty much useless. You get an update center right there, so you could go through there, and when there's an update you could go through there and just click it. And then we have DPI and tablet settings. So basically the first thing you're going to want to do before you use this is you're going to want to click install and update, and it's going to install it for you. Then you're going to reboot. Then when you come back here, it will be under modules. You'll check it and you'll reboot one more time, okay? And then you'll be able to use these settings. So if we go into per app settings, basically you could go through app and customize it to be tablet UI, whatever UI you want it to be. So let's, for example, open up Titanium Backup. We basically click on. We could go through here, change the DPI ourselves. We could enable tablet mode somewhere here. And you just get a couple of options here on what you want. And then when you're done, you're going to click save at the top. And yes, okay? And so after you've saved it, you're good to go. And use the app. So you could go through all your apps here and change those settings, okay? That's basically it. As I said, you do get a lot of options. This is blazing fast ROM. You get so many options, and it's probably one of the fastest ROMs. And some of the more apps you do get here, you do get audio FX settings. So this is his own audio beat settings that he added, which are supposed to be kind of like Beats Audio. You get exposed app settings, exposed installer, torch, DSP manager. Basically you could go through here, change the equalizer, what you want it to do. And basically that's it. This, as I said before, this ROM is really great, especially if you love customization options. Then make sure to try this one out, okay? So now I'm going to be showing you how to... Hey there guys, now I'm going to be showing you how to flash the dirty Rootbox Rom for your Nexus 7. So what you're going to want to do is use any method you use to get into recovery. I don't remember if I have twerp on this or not. It's been a long time since I've touched my Nexus 7. But in any way, you're still going to be following the same steps as usually as I say. So nothing new there, okay? Pretty sure I have twerp right now. But if you're in Clockwork mod, you're following the same exact steps. Yep, I do have twerp. Okay, as you can see, I booted up here. The first thing we're going to want to do is go to wipe, factory reset, and wipe it. If you have Clockwork mod, same steps. Do this 2 times just in case. We next want to go to wipe cache and swipe to wipe. We could do this twice too, just in case. Once you're done with that, go to delve at cache and wipe that too. Now we're done there, okay? So you've wiped everything on your device except your pictures, your music, that stuff. And now we're going to be installing the ROM, okay? So first thing you want to do is go to install. Okay? Now we're going to find where our download is, okay? So as you can see, I already found it, and it's Dirty Rootbox version 2.0 ROM. So it's right there, and so what we're going to do is we're going to click on it, and we're going to click install. So it should go pretty fast, since these are AOSP ROMs, and it does open up a Roma installer, okay? So as you can see, you have a Roma installer. If we swipe, okay, so now as we start going to a Roma installer, the first option you are going to get is kernel choices. As you can see, you get a bunch of them. Omega 3, Trinity kernel, Fox kernel, Bricked, Franco, M kernel, Leak kernel, blah blah blah. I'm going to leave it at Franco kernel since that's my favorite one for the Nexus 7. The awesome thing about this ROM is gaps are included, so leave that check there unless you don't want gaps. And now we get to choose our launcher. If you want Apex launcher, Nova launcher, or Holo launcher, I'm going to leave it as Nova launcher. Then you have titanium backup options, goo manager, CM file manager, a theme that you could install with it. I'm not going to install any themes, and that's about it. So it's going to install this for you. Should go pretty quickly, and this ROM does really have the most options, in my opinion, for a 4.2.2 ROM, since it does come with all the Rootbox settings and this guy's own dirty settings. Sorry for the printer in the background, I don't know what it's doing, but I'll just shut that off. Holy crap. Okay, so as you can see, the install is finished. Press next. Reboot your device now. Click finish. It should reboot for you. So I'm going to show you the boot animation quickly, as it does look really nice. As you can see, booting up. Stock Rootbox boot up. So it will lag the first time. I don't know why it does that, but after that you shouldn't have a problem. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Also, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button down below and leave a comment on any ROMs you guys want me to review, anything new. Also, check out my website at www.phonetechkid.com. Like me on Facebook, PhoneTechKid, and follow me on Twitter at PhoneTechKid. Thanks for watching.